I'm getting pulled over, bro.
Oh, bro. You know how fast you were going back there?
The speed limit?
Do me a favor, son, pop the hood.
What's up, guys? You watch another video. Starting the vlog off here at the airport. Where are we going?
We're going to Dubai. We're moving.
I wish, guys, I wish. They probably got excited. We're not going nowhere, sadly, but hopefully we go on another trip soon. Oh, we're going to Vegas. Literally next week, guys, for SEMA. So whoever's gonna be in Vegas next week, let me know. We're pulling up in the CS. I think I'm taking the CS. I don't know if I'm gonna take this one.
Really?
Why,
we're gonna drive in that? Wait, where are we gonna put our stuff?
I don't know, because that car has a roll cage and everything. We're taking the race car. She's rolling her eyes, guys. This car is way more comfortable, but I want to be in the F80, you know? Everyone's driving their F80s. Kevin's bringing his M4, this is F82. Daniel's bringing his F82. David's bringing his F80. Hugo's bringing his F80. And then my boy Mark's bringing his F80. I gotta bring that F80 too. Next week's gonna be lit, so stay tuned for the Vegas vlogs. We got an Airbnb, and the whole driveway is gonna be full of F80s. It's gonna be sick. I can't wait. You excited?
What?
You can sit in the back with the cage.
In the cage?
Yeah, in the cage.
Oh, he's tripping.
Alright, anyways, starting the vlog off here at the airport because we're actually picking up a special guest, bro. One of my homies, he came into town today, and we're gonna kick it with him the next couple days. He's actually gonna stay at my house.
There he is.
Where's he at? Oh yeah, I see him. I don't know if he's seen this car before yet.
He's matching the car.
He is low-key. Yeah, we're gonna pick him up right now, and we'll get you guys a reaction who it is. Yeah, you guys have met him before. You guys have seen him in my vlogs a couple vlogs ago. He's hilarious, bro. My boy, yeah!
I found Nick!
Bro, he has the most energy ever. The vlog's gonna be high energy right now, watch. What's up?
I came here to see you.
I know, finally.
Them together, the vlog's gonna be good though. The vlog's gonna be good. Also, us taking the F80.
That's their point. Who's here, guys?
Nick! Oh shit, we in public.
People love this.
Dash says live fast. That is insane.
You like it?
That's clean.
Guys, I put this little sticker. What the? What's up, bro?
How are you?
How are you? Good, chilling.
Good. Oh
How's this, bro?
God. I have my shirt in the
Really?
work
Yeah,
today.
thank you, bro. I appreciate
Of
that.
course.
Damn! I don't know. He recognized me.
Babe, every time you meet a fan, I think it's like one of your friends because you know so many people.
I know.
And you're just like, I don't know who that was.
They are my friends.
Yeah, I thought that was Hugo for a second. No.
They're like my friends. That was random at the freaking airport. What's up?
What's
You're
up,
finally
bro?
here.
Shit, we outside.
What are we doing this week, bro?
I don't know, honestly. I just came to hang out with my boy. On Halloween weekend, it's spooky season.
What, should we dress up?
What are we dressing up as?
I don't know. We should go get costumes today.
Alright, let's do it.
I think it'll be funny for the vlog.
Alright.
I told Kevin too, bro. That should be hilarious. But you haven't seen this car, have you?
No.
At all?
No.
You haven't been in it, nothing?
Nah.
You haven't even seen it?
Nah, bro. I've seen it from YouTube, bro. It's different when you in it, though.
But last time you were here, what car did I have?
Bro, you had the F80.
The gray one?
The gray one, bro. That was, yeah, RIP. Oh, shit! Hey, yo, hey! Yo, this shit was tweaking. It's not even raining, bro.
Dude, you're gonna love this car, bro. We gotta get your reaction too. It's just fast. He was scared in my E92.
Hey, bro,
Remember
that's
that
when I had a Toyota Corolla.
That was the first
And
video.
I ain't never been in a fast car before. You gotta chill.
But yeah, the first day I met him, I gave him a ride in my E92 and he was super scared. Like super scared.
Where'd you guys meet?
I don't know, I found him on the street.
Yeah, literally. It was like, you know, Kai Cenat and Ray. It was like that.
My boy! I love you, man. Hi!
And
Are
it
you
was just,
serious?
yeah, it was just the whole, I was like at a 7-Eleven. He found me. And then since then, yeah. Oh, shit! Yo, there's a car, dog.
This car's really fast, dude.
Big.
This is my fastest car now.
Okay. Oh! You know what I'm wearing? Hold up. Oh, yeah.
It's the merch.
It's the merch.
I gotta get you new shirts, bro.
Man, I got another one of my, you know.
For real?
Yeah.
You brought all of them?
I brought all the merch I got. Put it in the bag.
Should we take all of it? What?
What's your name? Yeah, that boy. Let me see that. Yeah, okay.
Yours.
Yeah, yes, hey.
But that was nice.
I'm just
I'll
trying
treat
to.
you.
Alright.
And some tacos. Some healthy ass tacos.
Yeah. some agua frescas. You know what I'm saying?
Josephine loves this place.
Fish tacos, and they also have churro bites. These are the best if you come to Tocaya.
It's like a Halloween special. They decided to, you know.
Hey, it's Halloween today, guys. I want to really go to the costume store and get costumes. I think it'll be funny. All of us dressed up. We have to.
Yeah, I'm down.
I know you're down.
I'm down, bro. We're gonna be on a sick one.
I feel like I'm putting gas in this car every day, bro. Every vlog I'm putting gas. Oh, we got 5 gallons. But I have to mix gas.
You gotta mix gas?
Yeah. So I put a little bit of this. And I put the rest of 91.
Yeah, mix the gas with the lean. Call it gasoline. Yeah. We gonna get costumes.
Where are the below at? It's Halloween, guys. Like I said, I want to go get costumes. So we're actually gonna meet Kevin right now and go get costumes. It should be cool.
You know, happy Halloween.
I got the money.
Declined. That boy got declined. Damn, man. Hey, I might just have to take over and start doing YouTube, man. Help the boy out, man.
Well, Loki's here as a nurse. He could be a...
Yeah, I might just be a nurse. I might just, yeah.
In your uniform.
I just need a stethoscope. That's it. Hey, we should go rate people's costumes. We should just go downtown and be like, hey, yeah, lame ass costume.
Yeah, bro. I feel like I'll be putting gas in this car every day. It's not even funny. Every vlog, we're pumping gas.
What else we be pumping? Hey, yo, whoa! Halloween.
That's where we're going. I think we're going there. Forgot to mention, Kevin put a spoiler on his E92. He's finally modding it, dude. He's listening to us. But I've not seen the car with a spoiler, but he told me he did it, and it looks insane, bro. Finally! You gonna start modding it or what?
Yeah.
Guys, he put a spoiler on it. I'll show you right now, but I mean, as you guys know, we've been teasing him for like the past freaking months, bro. Almost a year to put wheels on that car, to put a wing on it, a cage. I don't know. Make it crazy. At least he's getting started, bro. Put a wing on it today. Damn, my boy is part of the aftermarket gang.
The Wayne gang?
The Wayne gang.
How are you?
Jeez.
I know, it's been a long time.
No way, bro.
What do you think?
That looks crazy. I like it.
Was it the E92 GTS?
It actually looks pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie.
Stop the cap.
I feel like with bro, he drives like this every day with no plates. I don't know how he gets away with it, but
LA to Irvine.
nothing?
Nothing, bro.
How,
I
dude?
don't know.
I swear, if I take my plates off for one day, I'm getting pulled over.
Nah.
100%, bro. You see my tattoos, no plate. Bro, it actually looks really good though.
Yeah.
What do you guys think about the wing? I told him he should have did a bigger one, but low-key, I think he got it for a still, huh?
Yeah.
He found, I don't know how, guys, but he found a trunk with a spoiler already in Lime Rock Orange. So he didn't have to repaint it, nothing. Like it literally, someone sold a Lime Rock trunk with the wing already mounted.
What are the odds, bro?
I know.
Who sells the trunk with the wing in my color?
Which is good because if
Yeah.
you were to get like a wing aftermarket, he's gonna have to drill into his OEM trunk. So now you have 2 trunks, huh? It's
Yeah.
in here?
It's in the back, bro.
No
Look.
way.
Shit,
Oh
baby,
yeah.
fits.
See, that's good. At least you don't have to drill into that one.
Bro, you for real bought another trunk just to...
Yeah.
Bro, that's insane, bro. Wait.
But that's
He's
what it
rich.
looked
I'm just
like,
kidding.
the E92 GTS.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
Looks
It's the same
cool.
wing, right?
Yeah, same wing.
Yeah, that's nice.
dope.
I like it. Forza shit.
Yeah, it reminds me, that's exactly reminds me of Forza.
I feel like now with the wing,
Wheels.
wheels, G,
Cage.
wheels, cage,
That
Recaro
should be
seats.
Insane.
Maybe make the front look even more aggressive.
Yeah,
Maybe like little
lower,
canards or
more.
something.
Yeah.
Lowered.
Lower it more.
Yeah, we gotta go lower.
Yo, that's just low. It's on bags?
No.
Nah,
That's a compliment, thank you.
Let's get it too, right?
Yeah, bro, you just put this lip on.
Not even like 2 weeks ago.
Anyways, it looks good, G. Congrats.
Thank
Finally.
You. Thank you. I know.
Proud of
I
you.
know. Thanks, baby.
First mod ever in what?
You're dumb.
In 5 years, G. It actually looks crazy right here. It's so different. Just a little wing. To be honest, I wouldn't even mind a bigger wing. He's like, hell no. A wing like this, watch, like my boy Narvin. Look at that. That's what I would do, bro. I want to make a full-on track E92. Anyways, now we're at the mall, and like I said, I want to go to the Halloween store. If they even have anything, bro. It's Halloween day. We'll see if they even have costumes. I actually have a lot of costumes here, bro. I thought there was gonna be nothing left, but
Yo, what's up, man? You know what I'm saying?
oh hell no, Kevin. I don't like scary stuff like this, bro. Oh hell no! Oh my god, bro! I actually got scared. I'm not gonna lie, dude. Oh hell no! Why does it feel like a haunted house in here?
What is wrong with you?
Bro, what is this, dude? Some of these are creepy as hell, bro. What kind of costumes are these?
What are you talking about? I like this one.
Kevin for sure likes this one. You like that one, G?
Yeah, she's a naughty little girl.
Stop, dude. I literally thought we were gonna come in here and it's gonna be like two costumes to
We're
choose
gonna
from.
be Teletubbies.
Oh my god, that would be hilarious, low key.
Yo.
We just gotta convince Kevin to wear one, dude.
Yes.
He's
We
not
gotta
gonna
find
do
an
that.
orange one.
An orange one? That's
be a-
literally.
Yo, I want to be a pimp, bro.
Does it come with the money, G? Other way, G.
Oh. Listen, man.
Look at naughty.
Naughty. Oh, God. Where did he find these models, bro? She's thick.
Oh, that's a man. That's a man.
No, it's not. $70.
I'm trying to convince Kevin. Like, I wear this and he wears a police uniform. And
We could just picture it, imagine it.
then you could arrest me, G.
In bed?
We'll get some handcuffs too. Imagine Kevin in. Bro, you gotta get your glass. Oh, your orange ones, dude. That one for Kevin?
Fuck yeah.
I don't want to do it.
I'm making him wear this, dog. Pickle red! Kevin, is this or the pickle outfit, bro? Look at this dude.
Yeah, or the pickle
I'd
outfit.
rather be a cop.
Bro, look at it.
Shit.
I can't believe we spent $150.
Bro.
$70.
We're gonna have on. You better wear it all day, bro. We gotta put these costumes to use.
Yeah, for real.
Pull someone over. Bro, I can't wait to see Kevin in the costume. I think that's what I'm most excited for. It's gonna be hilarious, bro. It's huge.
It's a standard size, boy. Got busted. Penitentiary.
Hopefully, I never have to wear this, right? In real life.
Yeah.
hope not.
Hey, if you go to jail, I go to jail with you.
We all go to jail.
Yeah. F you. Oh. It's me, Marty.
What are we doing?
Oh, man. Yo. Hey, pause. Hey, yo, so freaky. Okay.
You see my whole ass in here.
That's the point, bro. That's what happens when you go to jail.
Come on.
Rich. That boy got the Van Cleef, boy.
$70.
All right, I'm just gonna put this over my pants, bro, because
No.
You good, G?
funny,
Put
bro.
them over my neck.
Look at Kevin.
Take them off. Hey, pause.
Bro, Kevin, you look hilarious, dude. I can't believe we're really dressing up like this. We gotta wear it all day today. Whatever we do.
Yeah, bro, it's Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Should we go get your nursing outfit?
Yeah, my shit's at home.
Bro, just arrest me,
Yo, he said, please, oh, yo, pause.
Here, G, put these on me real quick.
Hey, what do you mean by
I think you
that?
haven't done this shit before. Here.
Brother,
You gotta say, what? They see me rolling, they hating. Hey, you gotta run.
You look like Mickey Mouse. But this looks like a.
You look like a navy blue Mario.
You look like you drive a train or something, dude. Train conductor. You not look like a cop, dude.
Oh, bro, it doesn't close, man.
Breathe in like. Just one time.
And then as soon as I let go, no. This is a freaky belt.
That's a BB Simon, sir.
Bro.
Yo.
Just throw it on my trunk.
Fuck is so funny.
Sheesh.
Oh, Kevin, you look.
Cue the Akon song. They locked up, they don't want me out. They won't let me out.
I had to go back in there, guys. We had to get Josephine a little costume too.
What'd you get? What'd you get?
I'll be a little cat. Yeah, we'll look at Josephine's reaction too, because I want to surprise her. She's gonna. What happened to the uniform, G?
I took it off.
Why? Guys, imagine I got pulled over with this on. What would the cops say? You already dressed up, you ready, huh?
Yeah, you get locked up.
You make his life easier. Now, if Kevin got pulled over in the police uniform, would be hilarious. Cop pulling over a cop. I'm getting pulled over, bro. What are we gonna say?
I just
dude?
got here, bro,
I
from
know.
SAG.
What are we gonna say, bro? I'm scared. And my exhaust too.
You know how fast you were going, boy?
No.
I saw you speeding over there.
Do one more skate.
Wait, do it one more time. But dude, you gotta give it yourself like at least 10 seconds and be like, fuck.
I know,
Because
I
that's
gotta-
how you do your
I
other
gotta
one.
get into
Okay.
it. Oh my god, dude. What's he gonna say?
Nice card. You know how fast you were going back there?
The speed limit?
You were definitely not going the speed limit, and your exhaust is a little loud.
It's stock.
Don't sound stock to me. Can I have you pop your hood? I want to check.
Bro. You look hilarious with the hat on, bro. Dude, we're bad actors. I don't think we were gonna believe it, bro.
Bro, you gotta try it one more
Oh
time.
my god.
Should we do it again?
Yeah, one more time.
Okay, let's do it again.
All right, we made it home, and now we gotta get Josephine's reaction. I was gonna do it in a parking garage, but the parking garage is too loud, so I didn't even tell her what we're dressed up as. Nothing. I just told her we're gonna go to the costume store and maybe get a costume for Halloween. Bro, she's gonna die at Kevin, dude. Kevin, you look hilarious, bro. I can't believe Kevin agreed to do this. Well, not really. I kind of forced you to do it, G.
We can't even say what it is.
I know. Damn, it's actual.
I know.
Why not?
I know. Dude, feel that. Yo, my shit's official, bro.
All right, let's start. She's gonna die, bro.
Bro.
No way.
$70. Wait.
This is what she's about to see. How funny is Kevin, dude?
What the hell, you guys?
How funny is that?
Not what I was expecting.
What were you expecting?
I don't know, like, I don't know.
Mario and Luigi?
I don't know what I was expecting.
I can't believe I convinced Kevin to wear that.
I'm shocked.
Bro,
I like this.
You can't even see. He got handcuffed and everything.
Oh yeah, he handcuffed me.
Oh my god. Oh
Isn't it
my
funny?
God.
I think we might rock out like this tonight, guys. I don't know what we're gonna do, but all right, guys. Look, 4 in the morning. We're ending the vlog. My boy was helping me edit this video, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's a lot different than my usual ones, but we've been up since 4 in the morning editing this thing, bro.
$70.
$70. Dude, this video has us cracking up. You guys don't understand. So if you guys enjoyed that video, smash the like button. I wish we filmed more, but we ended up going to a OGZ concert, which is pretty cool. I didn't vlog it because I'm not trying to get copyrighted. OGZ got enough money. You gonna take my money too?
$70.
Bro, Kevin's a meme now, bro. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Tomorrow we'll do some more fun stuff, but that was a super fun video. I think Kevin's gonna die when he watches this tomorrow morning, dude. If you guys enjoyed it, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, follow my boy too, because he literally helped me all day today make this content and make all these freaking sound effects, dude. Anyways, I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow.
$70.
I'm